me a kiss like honey, I sure want you. And it's 103 between her and me, and only 92 in Daytona. And it's sunshine, blue eyes, tan lines, slow tide rolling, white sand, cocaine, koozie in my hand, just a summertime strolling, chilling, breezing, sipping, singing, oh, need you. We got 2-for-1s, we're at a margarita bar. Whatever happens, happens. And there's a reggae band full of dreadheads just sitting in the corner laughing. Oh, my baby walks over, drops a 20 in the jar. She smiles and shakes it at me. Yeah, she gets them going, she gets them playing a little. Don't worry, be happy. And it's sunshine, blue eyes, tan lines, slow tide rolling, white sand, cocaine, koozie in my hand, just a summertime strolling, chilling, breezing, sipping, singing, oh, need you. Oh, yeah. Little palm tree leaning. I got a margarita in my hand. I'm doing a little drinking. Talking about sunshine, blue eyes, tan lines, slow tide rolling, white sand, cocaine, koozie in my hand, just a summertime strolling, chilling, breezing, sipping, singing, oh, beach and sunshine, just beach and tan lines, a little palm tree leaning, some classy steaming, koozie in my hand, just a
Let's learn Summertime Strolling. It's choreographed by Kathy Brown. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Summertime Strolling. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. We're now going to do an anchor step. We're going to bring our right foot in and behind our left, slightly angling your body to the right. Recover back down on your left foot in place, and we're going to make a step back with our right that's going to square us back up to 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. We're going to step forward with our right foot and make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. We're doing that walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our right using this as a prep. So your toes should be slightly angled to the right. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder, making a quarter turn, stepping our right foot to the right side, left foot together, make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our left. You can do a half pivot over your right shoulder, returning to 12 o'clock, and do a left shuffle forward, right together, left forward. If you or somebody you know or dance with does not like to do all the turns, you can change that section by doing a walk, walk, shuffle, step, half pivot, shuffle, and leave out that turn. Counts are the same, so you don't have to worry about changing the counts, and the dance still flows in the same direction with everybody else. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on our left foot. You're stepping forward with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a side rock cross. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, cross your left over your right. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot. We're now facing 9 o'clock. You're going to step your left foot to the left side, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle right over left, cross, side, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your side rock cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step our left foot to the left side, and as we do, you're going to sway your hips to the left. You're going to put your weight onto your right and sway your hips to the right. Put your weight on your left, sway your hips to the left. Put your weight on your right, sway your hips to the right. We're now going to weave left behind, right side, left cross, and we're going to rock our right foot to the right side and recover onto your left foot, ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try that with some counts. Our weight is on our right foot, crossed over our left. We're going to sway to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again with your walk. So let's face the front wall. We're going to do it all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing that walk forward. Walk, walk, anchor, step. Left coaster, step, step, half pivot. Step, half back, half shuffle, turn. Step, half pivot, left shuffle, forward. Side rock, cross, quarter back, side, crossing shuffle, sway left, right, behind side, cross side, rock, recover. And then you're ready to start all over. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You don't have to worry about tags, restarts, anything. You just dance it all the way through. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your walk and anchor. Walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster, step, step, half pivot, step and prep, half back, half shuffle forward, step, half pivot, left shuffle forward, side rock, cross, quarter back, side, crossing shuffle, sway left, right, behind side, cross, side rock, recover, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster, step, step, half pivot, step, half back, half shuffle forward, step, half pivot, left shuffle forward, side rock, cross, quarter back, side, crossing shuffle, sway left, right, weave behind side, cross side, rock, recover, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helped you learn summertime strolling. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.